Hi, in this lecture we are going to talk about heap sort. So I'm going to have the method public void heap sort, and basically we just have to iterate through all the items. Let's take a look how it works. We keep swapping the root node with the last item. We keep considering the last item to be sorted. And then of course we have to make sure that it's going to be a valid heap. So we have to rearrange the heap accordingly. And we consider the last two items to be considered. Then we have to rearrange the heap data structure to make sure that it is a valid heap. Then again we have to swap the root node with the last item and we consider it to be sorted and so on. So we keep considering fewer and fewer items. So we iterate through integer I is 0, I is less than or equal to the current position plus I, and we just create a temporary variable for the heap. So we get the maximum item, the root node basically. And I'm going to print out the temporary plus some spacing, okay. Then we set it, the heap 0 is equal to the heap current position minus I. It's very important because we keep considering more and more items to be already sorted, in the sense that we don't want to consider them again. So that's why, as you can see, the I is 0, then 1, then 2. So the current position is going to be, for example, 8, 7, 6, and so on. It's going to work fine. Then we reinitialize the heap to be equal to the current position minus 1 is equal to the temp. What does it mean? That basically we swap the root node with the last item of the given heap. This is what's happening exactly. And then we have to fix down, because we have to make sure that the result is going to be a valid heap. So we fix down with the starting index 0 up to the current position minus I minus 1. Indices starts at 0, that's why we have to decrement it by 1, and minus I because we keep considering more and more items to be sorted. As you can see at the beginning, it's okay, we swap it, and we consider this item to be sorted. We don't consider it. Then we keep considering the 100 to be sorted. So we keep considering fewer and fewer items. That's why we have to decrement the indices by I. Okay, so this is how we do heap sort. Quite easy to implement, I guess. In the next video we are going to test our algorithm. Thanks for watching.